This is the demo case, LEDVANCE Vivares Zigbee. Each of the demo case is identified by a one-to-one number which is equipped on the cover of this demo case. Inside you find your demo case with all the equipment you need in order to conduct a training and to show the functionality of this exciting wireless system. This is the content of your demo case, LEDVANCE Vivares Zigbee. You find in here the demo box. In this demo box is installed the controller, the push button coupler with a push button, and the light and occupancy sensor. All these devices are electrified in this box. This box is certified regarding safety according to VDE 0100. In addition, the entire box is also CE certified. We do have the VDE documents for this certification, which the demo case recipients will get before the trainings will start. In addition, you find so-called 5 pieces of USB light dongles. These USB light dongles you can use to demonstrate the installation, the very easy commissioning on the system by adding them into a multiple USB hub, which you also find in here. This multiple USB hub you connect to your PC, and then those light dongles get enough energy, so once they are commissioned and activated in the Vivares Zigbee system, that they will light up. In order to commission the system and the devices, you need the QR codes. To ease the process in the installed demo box, you find also a leaflet with the QR codes of the controller, push button coupler, and also the light and occupancy sensor. Further on, you have an Android tablet included that you really can show very easy on the entire system the commissioning of the very exciting Vivares Zigbee system. There are a few other equipments in the demo case itself. That's a multiple plug in order to supply all your devices with the line voltage. Some toolings in order to be able to reset the installed devices to manufacturing settings in order to start each training from the beginning. And there is also a so-called nano router, which you can use to set up a local network in order to get your internet for the system. And as unfortunately we did not yet fully overcome the pandemic situation on the COVID-19, so we also have added for you 2 FFP2 masks and a few disinfection pads, which you should always use and please carry with you when you use the equipment and you have been showing it to anybody else, so that you don't have any danger on this sickness. That's all what you receive in this demo case.